And can you tell us about the design and kind of what it's meant to ride?
The Veda started quite a few years ago. I wouldn't say 10 years, but close. The goal was to create a board that's obviously a weapon in the backcountry, but something versatile that you could ride all mountain, but that you could also throw onto more aggressive, like backcountry lines, pillow lines, but still have some freestyle capacity. So we worked on the shape together with Arbor, and then throughout the last few years, there's been different graphics every year. That's been really fun to work with the team.
Can you describe what the snowboard feels like to ride?
Yeah, I think it's a kind of board that you get and you feel comfortable right away. Like you don't need to get used to it. It's not a very like out there kind of shape. It's like, something that you want to feel one with the board. And I think that's what I like about it. It feels very much like very floaty, like it's meant for powder, and then it's like you're able to like still throw some tricks and hit bigger airs with it. So that was kind of the goal. I just wanted it to be something you can take anywhere, and I mean I still will hit some rails on it like if I have to. There's just not really a problem, but it's definitely a board that's meant for more like all mountain and powder.
Well, what type of rider do you think this board is meant for?
Definitely someone that is into powder and would like to push their riding a little bit further than like, maybe the beginner level. Not to say a beginner cannot have this board. It's actually totally fine and perfect for it. But I think it was meant with more quality in mind and more durability, and like so that it's something that somebody that rides a lot more can be confident that it's going to last, and it can handle like going faster on bigger lines and catching more air. So that's, yeah, the kind of rider that you want to see on that board. And I mean, anyone, but it's nice to see that there's a board out there that fits, those women that want to push themselves, because there's more and more these days, and there's not a ton of high quality boards out there for a long time. So it's nice to see this offering.
Is there a story behind the graphic, or how did you land on what we're looking at now?
I think every year's been pretty different, to be honest, and it's nice to see diversity, I think. And we also had a few years where the board was unisex, and now it's back into the women's line. So we wanted to do something that was a bit more feminine. Um, I sent in ideas with indigo inspiration and a lot of natural elements, and um, like on the base you can see there's like a fern, like this is a maidenhair fern, and like my favorite type, and like I don't know, pretty pretty hippie some people call me, but not that hippie. I just wanted a bit of feminine touch with some natural accents, and I think it turned out really good.